Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Last week we covered just the simple basics of perspective drawing, and today I wanted to show you how you actually apply this when you are drawing people. I love drawing people, especially when I'm on location. There's always people around, so I really want to include them in my drawings. But some of you might be intimidated by it because how do you even do it? And then you don't even need to go into detail. You can just, with a few strokes, actually draw people. But I will show you. Generally, when the horizon is in the center of the paper, that means that the eye level is somewhere around an average person's chest. Of course, people differ in height, but you can use it as a rule of thumb. And this is generally the view you would have when you sit on a chair, for example. When you are standing, your eye level will be at the same height as someone standing across from you. Think about it. If you're talking to someone and you're both standing, you just look straight into each other's eyes. It's not like you're looking up or looking down unless the other person is really a lot taller or really a lot smaller than you are. So this means that you need to make the people's heads stick to the horizon line. And when you're kneeling down or sitting on the ground, your eye level will be somewhere around the knees. So that means that people are really rising up way above the horizon line. And I think this can be a very interesting point of view. It can even add some drama to your drawing, I think. I hope this is helpful, and I know that it really helps me to think about how to place people in a drawing so they're not like scattered around, or it looks like one person is floating in the air and the other is way too large or way too high or way too low on the drawing. So I hope it really helps you too. And of course, the horizon line, you cannot always see it. You also don't really need to, pencil it in or something, but it's just something that you need to have at the back of your mind. So if you're standing, eye level is at eye level. If you're sitting down, eye level is at chest height. And when you're sitting down on the ground, eye level is at knee height. If you just think about that, you're probably going to be a lot better at drawing people in proportion into your drawings. So I hope this helps. I hope you will try it. And remember, practicing is key. The more you do it, the better you get at it. And if you make mistakes, it doesn't matter because there's always a next page you can fill. Also, make sure to subscribe on this channel so you don't miss out on my Draw Tip Tuesdays. And I will see you next week.